Hey there, everyone. I'm Max.
And I'm Zara.
And welcome to English Speaking Podcast, the place where learning English feels natural, fun, and exciting.
That's right. Whether you're a beginner, just starting to learn English, or you're looking to improve your speaking skills, we've got you covered.
We're here to help you learn in a relaxed, conversational way. Our podcast isn't about boring grammar rules or confusing textbooks. Instead, it's all about real conversations, practical vocabulary, and tips that you can use in your everyday life.
Exactly. Every week, we'll bring you different topics to discuss. Everything from everyday situations like ordering food at a restaurant, to understanding slang, to tips on speaking more fluently.
Plus, we're going to make it super easy to follow along. We'll break things down, explain tricky words or phrases, and give you real-world examples so you can use English confidently in any situation.
And don't worry if you don't understand everything right away. Just keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll see improvement. The more you listen, the more you'll learn.
Exactly. So whether you're tuning in on your way to work, while relaxing at home, or during your daily routine, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our episodes. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next.
And if you enjoy the podcast, feel free to leave us a comment. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover, or share this with friends who are also looking to improve their English skills.
We're here to help you every step of the way, so let's get started. Welcome again to English Speaking Podcast, your go-to place for learning English the fun and easy way.
See you in the next episode. Happy learning!